What's up, family? We have great news to share with you today for millions of Americans. President Biden just canceled millions of dollars in student loan debt forgiveness. And it doesn't stop there, guys. Looks like he has even new plans to even wipe away more student loans in the near future. We also have new information from the White House that they are working towards lowering Medicare drug cost prices. They want to negotiate lower drug prices to help Medicare recipients. And I've got the details to share with you in just a moment. But as always, guys, you already know what to do. Make sure that you'll subscribe to the channel as well as hit the like button, as it really helps us grow on YouTube. Now let's go ahead and start with the video. Starting off, guys, we think it may be over in regards to the previous Hurricane Idalia, but according to hurricane forecasters, guys, they are saying that right now they are watching at least 6 more tropical storms in the Atlantic Ocean. And yes, guys, it says that the map of the Atlantic Ocean from the National Hurricane Center may look a little bit threatening, but there's nothing immediately to worry about as of right now. But these tropical storms could potentially turn into hurricanes, guys, and indeed, the 6 separate markers on the map, which includes 2 tropical depressions, a tropical storm, a hurricane, and a post-tropical cyclone and a tropical wave, run the gamut of major tropical activity in the Atlantic Ocean. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to at least let you know that although we might have thought that Hurricane Idalia was pretty much over and we don't have any worries, again, guys, it looks like there are some upcoming activities that we need to be mindful of in case they turn into what's more than what they are right now. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share that information with you. Moving on, guys, we do need to go ahead and talk about the latest news coming out of the Biden administration, in which they have just canceled $72 million in student loans for borrowers who attended for-profit Ashford University. Yes, guys, it says that the Biden administration announced this past Wednesday that it will be canceling $72 million in student loans for those individuals that attended the Ashford University, which is a for-profit institution. Anyways, guys, it says that as the California Department of Justice proved in court that Ashford relied extensively on high pressure and deceptive recruiting tactics to lure more students into the school, the U.S. Undersecretary of Education, James Carville, said in a statement, he said, "Look, today we are protecting the students who were cheated by Ashford University, and we will also hold perpetrators accountable for their actions, as well as we intend to protect taxpayers and to defer future wrongdoing from other, particularly universities as well." So anyways, guys, the Education Department announced that 2,300 borrowers who said that they were misled by Ashford University will have their student loans totally forgiven. The department said that it planned to recoup the money from the University of Arizona. So anyways, guys, that is a lot of students, guys, getting your entire university student loan completely wiped away. And as they stated, guys, they're pretty much wiping away around $72 million. We have seen this multiple times this year. We also saw it last year. But the question is, guys, will we see it in the near future? Well, guys, we do have updated information in regards to President Biden's new plans that he has in regards to student loan forgiveness. As you can see right here, guys, it says that Biden's new plans for widespread student loan forgiveness and what we know so far. Yes, guys, right now the Biden administration is looking at other options for debt forgiveness, but don't expect it to come before the next presidential election. Originally, the plans were for student loan cancellation, may be dead on arrival, but don't rule it out for the future. This particular article is talking about. It says that at least those are the sounds coming out of President Biden's administration. Using a process called negotiated rulemaking, the Education Department will bring together a wide range of voices to craft out a new policy for student loan forgiveness. And it says right here that what is negotiated rulemaking? What does that mean, guys? Well, it says that also known as neg-reg, the process is used by the government agencies to develop and revise regulations or rules. This particular process is designed to form policy through consensus building, especially when the policy impacts various stakeholders. However, this will take a very long time, guys. Back in 2018, this particular method took 2 years for the effort to come to a final decision. This means a ruling could come after the 2024 presidential election, with more promises coming directly from President Biden on student loan debt. They may be ultimately unfulfilled, if you will. And as we know, guys, President Biden is probably not going to win the next 2024 presidential election. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if there is a Republican that ends up winning the election, because so far, guys, President Biden is the only one running from the Democrats, and there are a ton of Republicans running on that side. So obviously, it's probably going to be a Republican taking office in 2024, which means that these particular plans that the Biden administration is implementing right now, or trying to create these new rules, probably end up going to the wayside. Yes, guys, that is probably what's going to happen, although we still could see something happen before President Biden leaves the White House. But in regards to this particular rulemaking, we probably won't see that happen at all, guys. Once the Republicans get into office, they are probably going to nix everything that President Biden and his administration put in place before he left the White House. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share that information with you because there are 2,300 students out there that are pretty excited this week to know that they just had all their student loan debt completely wiped away. This is helping a lot of families, especially low-income families that pretty much had to go to school and get loans for these universities. And guys, it looks like this particular Ashford University pretty much did some wrongdoing in regards to eliciting their students to come to the school. So anyways, guys, $72 million wiped away, clean slate. But anyways, guys, one question that we have quite often is that what is the most affordable student loan repayment plan that's out there? Because let's face it, guys, a lot of people still have student loans. I know my wife still has a student loan that we are still paying for right now, and she has been out of school for more than 10 years. But anyways, guys, this particular article talks about one of the most popular and most affordable repayment plan ever, which is called the SAVE plan. So yes, guys, this is one of the most popular, most affordable plans that is available right now, according to analysts. And on September the 1st, guys, the day all people with student loan debt have been dreading, which means, yes, guys, mandatory monthly debt repayments have resumed as of September the 1st. The moratorium that was in place since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic has now come to an end. The Biden administration has put forward the new SAVE plan, which is an income-driven repayment plan. It has been touted as the most affordable repayment plan ever, but that isn't true for all borrowers. And I would only assume, guys, everybody pretty much has different situations in regards to their student loans, federal loans, private loans, and things like that. And as we can see, a tweet coming directly from the Secretary Miguel Cardona, he said that, look, we are unapologetically fixing a broken student loan system. The SAVE plan is the most affordable student loan repayment plan in history, and it only takes 10 minutes to apply for it. Guys, if you are interested, you can easily go to the website studentaid.gov. And yes, guys, as you can see right here on the screen, it says that this website is the Federal Student Aid, and this is the Office of the U.S. Department of Education's website. And the SAVE repayment plan offers lower monthly loan repayments. And yes, guys, it says that the saving on a valuable education, which is what SAVE stands for, like other income-driven repayment plans, calculates your monthly payment amount based on your income and your family size. The SAVE plan provides the lowest monthly payments of any income-driven repayment plan available to nearly all student loan borrowers. So anyways, guys, if you or you know someone that has a student loan, definitely check out this website, guys, studentaid.gov. You can find out more information about the new SAVE plan that was administered by the Education Department for the government. But anyways, guys, moving on, we do need to go ahead and talk about some new changes that are coming very soon. This is in regards to going to affect our Medicare recipients, and that is because the government is finally doing something about the high prices in regards to these particular drugs that Americans depend on every single day. We already know that Big Pharma continues to increase these prices on drugs only in the United States, while other countries continue to have lower prices. But now it looks like the Biden administration, as well as the government, are now putting their foot forward and trying to do something about it. As you can see right here, guys, that Medicare has named at least 10 different drugs that are right now up for price negotiations with the government. And yes, guys, these are popular and pricey. things like blood thinners and diabetes drugs are on the list. And yet, as you can see, guys, a Medicare drug price battle. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services on Tuesday announced the first 10 prescription drugs that will be subject to Medicare price negotiations under the Inflation Reduction Act, which is a critical step in the Biden administration's attempt to drive down the high cost of prescription drugs for older Americans. Medicare provides health insurance coverage to 65 million people. But anyways, guys, this is the first time that we have seen anything like this, and it says that these changes will probably happen sometime next year when Medicare for the first time will be able to directly haggle or negotiate with drug makers over the prices for the costliest medications in America. The negotiated prices will go into effect in the year of 2026, something for us to look forward to. But anyways, guys, we do have a list of these particular drugs that are undergoing negotiations with the government. This is a list right here, guys, and I probably will be butchering these names, so don't hold me to it. But anyways, Liquius, which is a blood thinner, Xarelto, which is a blood thinner, Januvia, which is a diabetes drug, Jardiance, a diabetes drug, Enbrel, which is a rheumatoid arthritis drug, Imbruvica, which is a drug for blood cancers, Farxiga, which is a drug for diabetes, heart failure, and chronic kidney disease, Entresto, which is a heart failure drug, Stelara, a drug for cirrhosis and Crohn's disease, and then Fiasp and Novolog, which is drugs for diabetes. But anyways, guys, together these particular 10 drugs selected accounted for around $50 billion or 20% of Medicare's Part D spending from June of 2022 all the way through May the 31st of this year, according to CMS. But anyways, guys, these particular drugs are about to go through a renegotiation in regards to the prices. So hopefully they will succeed, and this will actually help some of these Medicare and Medicaid patients in regards to these medications that they depend on every single month, guys. So anyways, guys, that is some great news right there. Hopefully we will continue to follow this and find out exactly what happens to these first 10 drugs. And hopefully after they succeeded on these 10 drugs, hopefully they can continue to work with Big Pharma to negotiate other drugs that Americans actually need on a daily basis. So anyways, guys, I will keep you guys posted as usual. And last but not least, guys, I do want to go ahead and share this particular article with you because I thought it was very funny and clever. But anyways, guys, this is in regards to the former president Donald Trump, in which, guys, you already know that he had arraignment or whatever. He went to jail, surrendered himself in Fulton County, Atlanta, Georgia, in which, guys, he ended up having to have a mugshot taken, and he pretty much they released that mugshot, guys, to the American people so that they can actually see it. But anyways, guys, the story I want to touch on this is that Trump really knows how to turn a bad situation into a good situation, guys. He ended up taking this opportunity for his mugshot. He specifically posed for it in a certain way, a certain fashion. And anyways, guys, he ended up taking that mugshot and putting it directly on a shirt, as well as other types of merchandise such as cups, wallpapers, and things like that, guys, and pretty much told the American people or his supporters to go out and purchase this merch and support the MAGA theme, the MAGA rally, and things like that, guys. But anyways, guys, the biggest key factor in this particular issue right here in regards to selling these merch with his mugshot is that, guys, he has raised $10 million. Guys, I tell people all the time, guys, Trump is smarter than what people think he is, guys. But anyways, guys, turning this bad situation into a good one, raising $10 million. And guys, it's only been like 1 week or so. Raising $10 million in 1 week off of merchandise. I just thought that was very sick, guys. But anyways, guys, what do you think about this? What do you think about selling this merchandise in regards to the mugshot? Comment down below and let me know what you think about this, guys. But I thought this article was very interesting and I wanted to share it with you today. But anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. And I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, guys, that's all we have for you today, but feel free to check out some of the items down below in the description. There are a couple of opportunities for you to earn some free money, such as signing up with Webull, where they're giving away 12 free stocks after you sign up and deposit like $1. The good thing about it is that those 12 free stocks can actually be worth $3,000. It's like winning the lottery scratch off or something like that. But anyways, if you are interested, check out the link down below. Also, guys, I will solicit your support support on my new YouTube channel that I just launched last week. Go ahead and check out those videos right there. I will include a link down below. We have videos about the 10 type of passive income ideas for retirees, as well as how a beginner can turn rich over the next 3 to 5 years or so. But anyways, those links will be down below. I will appreciate your support right there. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, guys, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.